Now, hey, we got a little unboxing here. BlackSmith was nice enough to hook the boy up with the high precision fingerprint pistol safe. So we're gonna be opening this up, seeing what it's hitting for. Now I actually don't have a pistol safe, so hey, this came just in time, my boy. It's a little heavy, and I like that. If you're like looking for a safe, you don't want like no little cheap bullshit, bro. I did take a little sneak peek. I ain't gonna lie, a little sneak peek. Okay, this is your manual. Keys in there. And probably the mounting bracket screw. Styrofoam, keep that boy safe. Now here she go. There she go. Okay. There she go. Let me get y'all another little close up. I like the little design on it. I'm wondering like which way it's gonna come out. So we're gonna get into that manual, get it set up, put my little passcode on there, do all that, bro. We're gonna see what this boy in for, yo. So far I'm rocking with it though. I'm rocking with it for sure. Now we're gonna get into this manual so we can actually see what the inside and all of that look like. You know, see if it's actually worth it, bro. On the box it says high precision fingerprint, number buttons, and emergency key. So that's 3 different ways to unlock this safe. Off rip, yeah, that is a plus for sure, bro, because you know when it comes to like battery powered safes and all of that, bro, if the batteries die, then your stuff is like pretty much stuck in the safe. So having the emergency key is a plus, and they have 3 different ways to unlock it, including the app. We gotta look more into that and make sure it's official, but I don't know. So far, yo, yes, I'm rocking with this. Let's figure out how we open this boy up. Okay, open for the first time, and I'm just reading right from the manual. So everything that I'm doing, you can just copy exactly what I'm doing. Open the battery department on the back side. Insert AA batteries, 4 of them. Let me get some batteries real quick. All right, I got some batteries, and make sure that you have brand new batteries as well. Cause like I said, bro, if the batteries die in here and you lose your key or anything like that, your stuff it's over for, bro. So I mean, I don't know about this safe. I'm all stepping up. I don't know about this safe specifically, but I have had like things locked in safe, so I'm like very crucial about the batteries in my safe, bro. Okay, it beep, so it should beep. When you turn it on, put them 4 batteries in there. So there is a factory password to open it once you actually get your batteries in there and all of that. So let's test that out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh. Okay. Hold on, let me try to even see that shit one more time. Yeah, I fuck with that. So yeah, actually I haven't even showed you guys the inside of the safe. So this is the inside of the high precision pistol safe. And from the manual, it looks like you can take this foam insert out and adjust it. Okay, looks pretty easy to just take that out. So it said you would adjust it. Well, to adjust it, you just take that out, cut it to whatever gun size that you like. You know, you trying to put something crazy in here, just cut this little foam insert out, throw it back in there. There you go. And you do have 2 foam inserts. This one would be for your gun, and then you can throw a little magazine back here. Let's see if it actually if it's going to throw the gun out or, you know. Okay. Get in there, nice and. Now this is a Glock 43X. Let's see if it can hold a Glock 20. Well, I do have my. Let me take this little. I'm gonna take my little WML off real quick. All right, we got her off, Chad. Now, Bear Glock 20 Gen 5. See if she fit in there. With a little bit of force. Now I do have that beaver tail on there, so I gotta you know? Now that actually feels like it's like snug a little bit. And I'm doing it with the buttons this time. Ooh, Glock 20 right there. That's a Glock 20 right there. Whose home should this be? Whose home should this be? Or should we just get another one? Should I make this the 43X home? Or should I make this the Glock 20's home? I don't know, y'all. Let me know in the comments. But there is a setting button under here. It's like under your little keypad that you were just pressing on. But you want to long press that until it beeps twice. Okay, set your password that you want. Hold the button again. And then it should turn green. It should turn green. So let's try that. Okay, so that's how you set your password to this. Okay, nice and simple so far. Nice and simple so far. And that notice how the slide out access is very quick too, bro. 1, 2, not even 2 seconds, damn. I like that. I'm rocking with that. Hold on. That in the fingerprint. Now that's what I'm interested in right there. How we do that? Okay, so I might have to retry since I had it out for too long. Just put a little bullshit password in there. Okay, long press it 2 times. Hold your thumb down or whatever finger you want on there. I got a little lost in the sauce, but it says place the same finger in the fingerprint recognition area 3 times. Buzzer beeps twice, meaning setting succeeds. So mine's did beep twice and turned green, so we're gonna see if that works. Yo, this shot cool. Okay, app function. So there is an app that looks like you can unlock this safe with your app. Hold on. This is tough, and I'm gonna get into all of the features and how much it costs, and I do have a code for you guys as well. Make sure to throw that on top of the screen, but I'm kind of lost right now. This thing nice, yo. Now, I'm gonna grab my phone real quick so I can download this app, and we're gonna see what that's all about. Okay, scan that little QR code. It'll take you to the app store. Okay, now I'm just waiting for that to download. Smart Life. All right, now my app is downloaded. Now it says open the Smart Life app and keep your Bluetooth on. Wake up the panel and save by pressing 1 twice. And then press settings under the key panel. Okay, so I have to open it up first. All right, so to set it up with the app, it looks like you have to unlock the safe first, hit 1, and then once you hit the settings under your keypad, hey, that's pretty self-explanatory. It just showed you what it'll do from there. It looks like it just has like this little slide thing. See if it slides and unlock. Bro, yo, this is tough, dog. Yeah, this is tough. Oh my God, bro. Okay. So it looks like you have member management in here as well. So I might be able to like put my wife or kids on here. They might be able to have access to it. Like I wonder if you can have multiple fingerprints on here. Yeah, it looks like you can have multiple fingerprints, multiple codes. Okay. Multiple fingerprints, multiple codes, smart scenes. It says family go home. Trigger linkage when family members go home. So this must be like when you're at work or something like that and your kid just got home from school and you're not there yet. You want them to have a little bit of protection or something like that. Get you a BlackSmith, man. Door lock alarm. When door lock alarms trigger linkage, so that's pretty much self-explanatory. Sounds like when your alarm goes off, it might just automatically unlock the safe. No, I like that one. I might actually be installing that little linkage type. I like that. And then the last little setting thing in here, it looks like is more. In the more section, it looks like it has the option to turn the remote unlock off, like you can't unlock it from the app. And then the lock volume, so you can have it on normal, how we've been having it all day, or it has the option to make the lock volume mute. So that probably is like the buttons and all of that. Let's test that. Okay. Still works the same. What about the fingerprint? Okay. Okay, I like that. I like that. So if someone's sneaking in your house or something like that, and you don't want them to know that you're up, you get ready. Put that boy in mute. Let's rock. So at the top in this little app, it actually shows you a log of the activity on this app. So it showed me when I set the volume, how I unlocked it, fingerprint, password. So, if someone was to like get in your safe somehow, or one of your guns was to go missing from this safe, you had something special in there, something like that, bro, you literally have the exact timestamp of when the safe was unlocked, how it was unlocked. Like, yeah, I'm rocking with this. I'm rocking with this for sure. I like this.